The Curve Curio 52-inch Farmhouse Ceiling Fan combines a rustic aesthetic with a modern touch, featuring dark brown blades and a caged frame that fits well in both indoor and patio settings. Equipped with a whisper-quiet reversible DC motor, this ceiling fan offers energy efficiency and adaptability with seasonal airflow adjustments through a simple remote control. The remote control enhances user convenience, providing 6-speed settings, a timer function, and independent control of the fan and light, making it adaptable to any room's needs. Installation is straightforward with the pre-assembled design, eliminating the hassle and saving both time and money during setup. Curve Curio prioritizes customer satisfaction, ensuring any issues with the ceiling fan are addressed promptly by their dedicated support team. This ceiling fan is an excellent choice for those seeking both functionality and style, making it a standout addition to any living room, bedroom, or patio.